In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change out these pillar trims. They call them B pillar trims or appliques or something like that. So what happens after time, they tend to fade, and they also tend to get a little unglued. So I'm just going to show you how to replace them, put new ones on. It's a fairly easy process. So you first start on this back one just by peeling it off. It's held on with 3M double stick tape. Comes off pretty easily. You have to give it a good tug. And that's pretty much how it's stuck on. It's got this little holder up there that goes in this hole. So after time, I guess, I don't know, something happens with the plastic. It comes out of the hole and starts to peel back. And then when you open your front door, it'll hit and even peel this back more. So I tried on these old ones to put tape up here and see if it'll hold, but it didn't work. So I ended up just ordering some new ones. And I'll put the part numbers in the description below. So what I like to do next is I like to get either a heat gun and a blade and take this residue tape off. I'm not going to bore you with that. And then afterwards, after I get all the tape off, I like to rub it down with alcohol so I can get a clean surface. So let me go ahead and do all that, and then we'll continue with the part number for the driver's side rear door. If you guys want to screenshot that now. And this is the actual part, how it comes. Has the 3M tape on the back, these little hooks that latch into this top part and the bottom part. So first pull off the tape. And then you're going to have to jam the bottom piece in a little bit so it goes in that bottom hole. And then match up the hole on the top. Kind of bend it down a little bit and pop it in. And then just press. And let it sit. And what I'll do is I'll put 2 clamps on here for about half an hour so it sticks real nice. So then I'll just leave these clamps on for, like I said, half an hour. And then we'll unclamp it and see the final results. So the same thing's going to apply for the passenger front door and the driver's side front door. Basically, it's the same process. It's stuck on, you just got to peel it off. And there you go, it's only held on by tape and a couple of clips. This is the part number for the right hand side passenger door front, and it's just the same process. Take off the tape, same thing we did on the other side. And this is what the finished product is going to look like. Brand new. In the next video, I'll show you guys how to change this back one here. It's a little different process. So until then, see you on the next video.